Hi, what is going on, everybody? This is my second time I'm recording this because I didn't press record on my voice again. Now, this is gonna be a really fast video. On my personal day today. I hope you guys had a great Monday. Let's just start right away by talking about the first contracts that I took today. UPST, UPST. So I had this charted up from the weekend, and it started ripping crazy because there was like a Goldman Sachs like upgrade on them. The premium started ripping crazy, so it only filled me with two contracts. But as you can see, I made 125 off that trade with only two contracts. But that shit is crazy. I got in at 55, and I sold at 130, bro. That's insane. That's like almost 150% within the first 10 minutes of the day. I was trying to get filled with 10 at 55 to sell 1500. No, that's 1300. Bro, that would have been almost $900 in one trade, bro. Within the first 10 minutes, that would have been crazy. But it didn't want to fill me at all. It did not want to fill me. It only filled me with two contracts, as you can see. Look, two contracts. Let's talk about UAL. I took UAL right here for the day. This was not a day trade, but it's holding at a really important support here since March, and I'm low-key gonna start loading up a little bit more with more contracts. I only have two of them for now, and I'm down $14 on them, but they're they're like $20 a piece. I'm probably gonna keep on getting more contracts. Like the closer we get to ER, it's like on the 20th, almost a week and a half away. Uh, because I know once UEL breaks this 53.44 level, like it can go crazy. I'm not saying that it could happen, like within the week now, but this premium is gonna have to start getting juiced because this premium now is really low for like the amount of time I have, and the premium, like how cheap it is. So I'm gonna start loading up more, like probably like closest to the money calls, like the 53s, 54s, because that's like a more realistic level that it could hit. Personally, that's what I feel like. So I took that swing. I did a space put. These went insane. These went from a dollar. Well, I bought it at a dollar, and they ended up the day at like $3 a piece. I sold right away for $10 because I was already up like $130 for the day. So I was like, yo, I might as well take a small profit and not be greedy at all. But if I would have held, it would have been a really good trade. That was almost a 200% right there, like a 250. Like at hot, it was like three something. The 40s right here, yeah, it's in the money now. It was like three something for the high, like right here at this bottom. And yeah, that was a trade that I took. There was dudes on a like a $500 million call off on a share offering. I took FEYE. There was news about it. Opening up like a online like gambling casino or something. So I caught it really early. I caught it at this level right here. The premium did move a little bit. I took a $30 dub right there, but if I would have held, it probably would have been like $100 dub because I had like 10 contracts. But it's fine though. I'm not mad at getting profit and like seeing profit and taking profit right away because this market can turn on you right away. Like these red candles are crazy, but like if you get in early, like it's fine to like sell out early at the same time, but like always leave a runner or two. I probably should have left like two or three contracts right here. I didn't, but it's fine. I took a $30 profit. Ain't nothing wrong with taking $30 home. You know what I'm saying? I took a Disney call at the end of the day. Like literally at the end of the day, I took four calls. Yeah, four calls right here. It was like really cheap ones. It was like I think it was the 190s right here. Really cheap ones. They went from like 60 cents to like 70 or like 66. I took a small $24 dub right there. Like small profits add up. Look, 24 plus 31. That's already 50 something dollars. I wasn't good at math in high school. I'm sorry, but you know what? I'm good at stocks. 50 a 50 piece. let's just call it a 50 piece at best. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's talk about AVGO, bro. I played this on the way down because there was news about a buyout, like 10 to 15 billion dollar buyout offer, I guess, or like an actual buyout that came through. I don't know what happened. There was news on it like the other day, and it started dumping as well. I didn't catch it like back then, but I caught it during the weekend because I really liked the chart, and there was a lot of people posting about it. So I caught it. I was gonna buy it early in the morning. I would have got cruised on it, but thank God I didn't buy in and like hold calls right here because they would have dumped for sure, and I probably would have sold out at this huge sell off right here. Now what I did do was once I saw news on it, I went to the stock immediately, and I got the 450 puts. I'll tell you what I did with these. Give me a second. I got the 450 puts. 450 puts at 65 cents, two of them only. I don't know why TOS kept filling me with only two only. I don't know why. UPST, which was a great call. I was trying to buy 10 contracts, only got filled with two. AVGO puts as well, almost 100%er, like a 70 or 60%er, only got filled with two. But either way, it was a really good trade. I went back in because there was like some huge call volume coming in. So there was like a crazy trend reversal throughout the day. Like not even, it was like 10 minutes that it happened. It just started ripping crazy. These contracts flipped crazy. I had the 500s, and like I did on Friday, hold on. On Friday, I went for the more from the more in the monies to more out the monies, and I did the same thing today. I had the 500s for AVGO at $1 a piece, and I sold for like a $30 profit, I think so. Yeah, like $15 profit each, bro, which was horrible because these went to 3.20. I went more out the money right here for the 510s. Now these ripped a lot, but at the same time, if I would have just held those two contracts, like I wouldn't have to like put like so much risk on the table for like this trade. I don't know why I keep going out the money with these contracts, and it's getting me annoyed. But like the more repetitive, like I keep repeating my trading status strategy to myself, because me personally, like throughout the day, like I'm like a different animal. Like I don't know, like. But I try to maintain myself within my trading rules at all times, at all costs. I always try to protect profits and never take a huge L at all. I always try to cut losses short and fast, and keep my winners running. Now right here, I had a really tight stop for this trade right here. I bought 10 at 50. I sold most of them at 55. That was a good dub right there. I don't know how much that was, but that was a good dub. I opened up 5 more at 60, and it went back down to 55. And like this is literally seconds. Look, 56 to 41.20. Literally less than 30 seconds. Like I was down like 5 cents a contract, and it was just so volatile. I didn't want to get stuck like holding, like holding the gun per se. So I sold out right away. I sold 5, and then I sold 5 out of my no. I had 7 right here. I sold 5 for a L, and then I sold 2 for like a crazy dub, almost 100. If I would have held from 55 to 103.8, that's basically a 100%er. And I didn't hold, which was a bad idea. Like looking at it now, no, looking at it back then, but like now, like obviously I was trying to protect like my profits for the day, because even if I didn't take a dub here, I still made money on the puts, and like the first round of calls. So this was really sloppy of me. I shouldn't have done this. Now these 520s were horrible. I don't know why, but I just wanted to get in again, and I got filled in at 55 on these 520 calls. Now this was horrible. This was crazy out the money, and these contracts were not moving at all. I got filled at 55 right here, and literally this premium dead ass just stopped moving. Like all other premium just kept ripping right here. 1143. All right, so right here, the premium just kept, bro. This like the stock price kept busting, but the premium just stalling out, and all other premium was busting crazy, and this premium was not moving. I was dead ass getting scared as hell. It filled me, finally, like after some push-ups right here. It finally filled me at 60, bro. But I literally almost got stuck in that trade. Like this premium just started shit in the bed once I got in at 55. Basically I had because nobody else is getting filled like around these prices up here, like above 60. And it was bad. It was looking really bad. Like I was gonna lose half of my day's profits for no reason at all. And I don't think it was FOMO. I just think I was just trying to like see like the whole move, but like at the same time, if I want to see the whole move, I should have just stayed with the 500s. Like look at the volume on that shit. That's just crazy. Almost 16,000 in volume. Let's see the statistics for today. 45,000 calls, 12,000 puts, and there was a bunch of call flow that came in, like right here at the slow. Like there was like 700,000 of that call flow coming in. It was crazy. And that was a horrible strike price. I should have stayed on my 500s, and that's another trade similar to Friday's that worked out on Friday, and it kind of worked out today, but at the same time it didn't because I probably didn't even make money on that trade. Like from 55 to 60, 10 contracts, like the commission probably ate it all up right there. But that was my day. I was looking at COF because right now, currently I'm like looking for scans for like throughout the week, but COF was on my scans for like the past couple of days since Thursday, and like the 165 contracts I think or something like that, 167s were like at 21 cents right here at Thursday lot, and today they ripped to like $4, which is like a 20 bagger literally. Like this scan shit that ass works. If you have 2OS, you have to learn how to use this scanner and practice your swing trades. I have to make a separate account for my swing trades because sometimes like I be switching my swing trades to a day trades and I don't get to compound like these gains like from 20 cents like bro 20 cents like you could leave 20 cents running like it that ass does not matter, but if I see that 20 cents turn into $1 $2 like I'm obviously gonna want to pull it, but if I have a swing trading account, like I could just let that shit keep running and have a trailing stop loss on it for like the whole setup that I have. Because me personally, I believe the COF thing isn't done. I think this can hit 175. There was a lot of bullish calls in it today, and like over like $1 million or something like that, and this can rip odds. It can go crazy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That was my day. I hope you guys had a good Monday. One tip that I could tell y'all is learn how to use this scanner and chart up your charts with this scanner. If you see a stock that you've been eyeing for a minute and and you have like the right scanning results here, bro, just make sure to chart it up and wait for any like call buying or bullish action within the stocks because I promise you it'll move. I can show you guys my scanning setup on the next video or most likely tomorrow because right now I'm about to go knock out because I'm tired as hell. But yeah, scanning is really important. Learn how to use on TOS. And that's pretty much it. That was my day. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow right after the bell, and yeah, peace out guys.